All right, guys, here we go. So I'm going to show you how I did it. Took a section right here. Okay, you just pull, go, pull, and I do it, and then this part I told you, I showed you, right? Just kind of pull it forward and roll it back, and then push it. I like this. I like that swoop. I like to heat it up and then cool it off, like a roller set. And then flip this up. Just grab it, just flip it a little bit. I'm gonna just take some back here. You know what's really cool too? The longer it gets, like it's really long on top, when it gets flatter, sometimes it looks shorter. But it's really longer because it's so long on top. Look how long that is. I mean, it grew a lot. Unbelievable. And it was definitely from these hair vitamins. And I do have it on a link on one of my videos on TikTok, but I don't remember which one it is. And you might have to like go way down to find it, but I'm telling you, they were so good. I'm gonna take another set of them. I did one whole set, now I'm gonna do another set. But they, you know, we looked at all the ingredients in there too. They were really remarkable. You know, I like more natural stuff. That's just who I am. I juice every day. I do celery juice. And what else? I love exercising. I have like a vibrating machine that exercises you for like 15 minutes. They say it's like an hour of a workout. And I love a trampoline. A trampoline is like, does your whole entire body. That's the best part about a trampoline. It really exercises your brain, your muscles, your tissues, your organs, everything, because it's you're jumping and you're kind of like, it's like, you know, when you swim and you do so much more work when you swim without a lot of pressure, or it doesn't hurt your bones. So if you're jogging on cement, you're jolting your bones all the time. But when you swim, it doesn't. And when you jump on a trampoline, it's the same thing. So it gives you exponential benefits. So that's why I jump on a trampoline. And my good friend Mary Beth, she's in her early 60s. She has she got a really great Peloton, I think it's called, trampoline with a bar. So, and I can't believe how skinny she got too. I mean, in shape. She kicks my butt. Like, I gotta get back. So I'm also doing hypnotherapy. So they say this, when you want to shift the brain, you need to say, thank you, subconscious mind, that my metabolism runs at 120%, 120%, 120% for the health and well-being of my body. Thank you, subconscious mind, that my metabolism runs at 120%, 120%, 120% for my health and my well-being. And I weigh 125 pounds. That's my ideal goal weight, between 120 and 125. So I just keep saying it, but I'm getting better and better and better. And you know, I think when you go through stress and you're going through things, a lot of times we could tend to want to eat to feel comforted, but you know, it doesn't really it makes you feel worse later, because then you're like, okay, now I'm not the weight I want to be. And you know, I want to say the bad words right now, but I'm not, because your word is your one. If I see those bad words, it's coming on me. So I won't say it. You know what I say? I say, I love my tight, strong, athletic legs and my thighs and my calves. I love my beautiful body. I say it. I love my tight face. I don't say the W-R-I-N-K. I don't say those. I say my strong, tight, fit face and my beautiful white teeth. I just say all nice things. My beautiful, thick, gorgeous, voluptuous hair. Love, love, love my thick, long hair, because it's growing like a weed, because I want it to grow back, and I love it. So it's so good to be your own best friend too. You know, you need God as a best friend for sure, but you need to be your own best friend too. If you don't bank on you, why would somebody else bank on you? And you know, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of my vision boards. I am. So listen, I'm just taking this, go up, get that hair, go up. Yeah. All right, we're done. Great brush too. Beyond Beauty. That's where you can get it. All right, so let me give you a sneak peek at my wall. This is my wall. Isn't it so cool? It's my vision boards. I love this wall. It's funny when my granddaughter comes in here, she loves looking at it. She points, she's like, Mimi, right? My beautiful digital market, everything that I want, I desire, I just put on these boards. And then I look at them every day. So now it's time for you to make your own. Those vision boards are amazing. Just put down the desires of your heart and watch them start coming true. When you look at them every day and you visualize them every day, that's like, I want to say, the secret sauce, visualizing. Einstein said, your imagination is greater than knowledge. And I love, Van Gogh said, I dreamed my painting and then I painted my dream. So we have to start dreaming the things that we desire and we want, and use your imagination. It is absolutely priceless. And then put your goal boards down, put down the desires of your heart, things you want, cut out great pictures, things that you love. And it's so cool the way it starts to happen. Today's a great day to have a great day. So it's so good when you wake up to put on some worship or praise music, praise the Lord, read something good that stays in your mind. Right? We need good affirmations every day. I'm enough. I've always been enough. I'll always be enough. God, thank you that I'm wonderfully and marvelously made. We need to get that power inside of us. Right? Listen, God created us. We're spiritual beings. We can't live in the five senses. We're spiritual. We need to go higher level thinking. Whatever's good, whatever's lovely, whatever's of good report, think of such things. Right? We need to think of all those good things. Look at what a beautiful day. Just soak it in. Breathe it in. Breathe in your abundance and all that God has for you. Look at how beautiful and abundant. All right, so remember Robin Williams when he said, good morning, sunshine. Just get it in your lungs today. Get it in your lungs. Have a good day. Tell yourself, today I'm going to set myself up for success. I'm going to have a great day no matter what is going on. Life happens, but let's be in control of our thoughts. Let's think about what we want to think about today, what we want to feel like today. We want to feel abundant and strong and healthy and happy and fit and complete and lacking nothing. Joyful, joyful, joyful. Have a great day.